Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to view your Gmail account password on your phone if you forgot it without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And go ahead and click on manage account on this device. And go ahead and click on Google right here under the password manager. Click on that. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Google Password Manager. Here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down right here and go ahead and make sure you check right here. All the password you have is going to be shown right here. So here we go. You have google.com right here. Go ahead and click on it. Verify your identity, and boom, you have it right here, and you have your Gmail username right here, and at the same time you have your Gmail account password right here. For you to view the password, simply click on this icon, and the password is going to be revealed. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you